In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign out from Slack step by step. This is useful if you're switching accounts, logging out on a shared computer, or just want to make sure your workspace stays secure. The process is simple, but if you're new to Slack or using it every day for work, it's easy to overlook where the sign out option is located. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Slack homepage. You can do this by typing app.slack.com into your address bar, or by opening Slack directly if you already have it bookmarked. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the workspace that you want to log out from. You should see your Slack interface with your channels, messages, and sidebar visible on the screen. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Slack window. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This usually appears as your profile photo or a colored circle with your initials inside it. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a menu will pop up with several account-related options. In this menu, look for the option that says Sign Out of My Workspace. This is the option Slack uses to log you out of the current workspace you're using. Click on Sign Out of My Workspace, and Slack will immediately log you out. Once this is done, you'll be taken back to the Slack sign-in screen, confirming that you've successfully signed out. At this point, your account is no longer active on that browser session. If you're using Slack on a shared or public computer, this step is especially important to protect your messages and workspace data. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to sign out from Slack quickly and safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and software how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.